friends, we are now much aware about the concepts costing and cost accounting. Today, we will take a deeper look into the importance of cost accounting to various parties. The main purpose of cost accounting is the collection of all costs, summarizing and presenting in such a way that it can give the accurate picture of the organization's whole cost structure. For the management, cost accounting provides detailed cost information in a classified manner, guides in price fixation, helps the management in decision making. Cost reports enables the management to choose the best alternative. Moreover, cost accounting reveals operating efficiency, idle capacity, and helps to identify profitable and non-profitable activities to take steps to eliminate or reduce the non-profitable ones. From the cost records, we can find out the efficiency of the employees. Cost accounting reduces all sorts of wastages and inefficiencies and thereby improves the productivity of the employees. It leads to the prosperity and stability of the business, which offers job security to the employees. The creditors feel secured where there is a good system of costing in a concern because they can verify the creditworthiness of the concern. Cost accounting records help the creditors to verify whether the loans given are productively employed or not. The investors also feel secured if there is prosperity in a business, as they feel that their money remains secured. Hence, more people are attracted to invest in the concern, which further increases the prosperity of the business. Cost accounting data helps the government in formulating policies such as pricing policies, taxation policies, foreign trade policies, wage policies, etc. Moreover, it helps the government to effectively manage and improve the performance of public sector undertakings. For the general public, cost accounting helps to curb inflation through continuous efforts on cost control and cost reduction. Cost accounting facilitates introduction of better methods of production, which provides improved products to the people. We are now aware about the importance of cost accounting to various parties. In our next video, we will discuss the comparison of cost accounting with other branches of accounting. Please share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.